everyone, welcome to my channel. Today video I will try to explain how we can use ChatGPT OpenAI tool. Let's start. Just write here ChatGPT, enter, open your first link. ChatGPT optimizing language model. ChatGPT is an optimizing language model for dialogue. It's developed by OpenAI. You can use this tool to get question answer. If you ask any question, he will give you answer. So let's start. Try ChatGPT, click on it. If you have account, just click on login. If you don't have, just sign up. I will click on login. I have a Google account, so I will continue with Google, right? And I will click on my Gmail account. Okay, fine. I'm already logged in to my account, so now I can ask any question and he will give me answer. So let's start. I have one question, right? What temperature is good for human health? Let's write here. What temperature is good for human health? Okay, enter. See now, he's trying to explain each and everything that is very informative for us. So using this tool, you can just write here and he will explain in a short way. So you can see that he say 20-22 degree is good for human health. So let's ask another question. Write 200-word essay on AI. Right? Okay, come on, let's enter here. Right here, write 200-word essay on AI. Enter. You can see here, now he will explain artificial intelligence in 200 words in a precise, in a correct way. Right. So you can see that everything is explained in a very efficient and right way. Now we will ask another question. Explain in short, how is the Italy for traveling? Okay, now you can see that he will explain is Italy is good for traveling or not. So he will explain in each and everything about the history, about the visiting places. So you can see that they are explain about their pizza and pasta and so on. So you can use this tool to learn something, to write your blog. You can take help from this tool. Okay, let's ask another question. Explain in short, Amazon FBA is a good business. Come on, just write here and enter. Now I ask him like explain in short, Amazon FBA is a good business or not. So you can explain that what is Amazon FBA and how you can use it and is it good or not. So he's explaining each and everything. You can see we try ask different type of question about business, about AI, about the human health. So he's trying to explain each and everything. You can use this tool for write your blogs, because this is a free plagiarism paragraph. And so thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, give a thumbs up. Thank you.